Hi everyone, welcome. My name is Brian Tran. I've been a professional jeweler for over 40 years. And I've been designing jewelry with CAD for more than 25 years. Today, I'm excited to introduce my online jewelry design classes created for beginners, DIY jewelry enthusiasts, and professional jewelers who want to step into the modern world of digital jewelry design. If you're a complete beginner, don't worry, I teach everything step by step. And if you already have experience making jewelry, these classes will help you build advanced professional skills. Many people tell me they watch countless jewelry videos online, but they still can't confidently create designs on their own. With the right guidance, you absolutely can. Some may think CAD jewelry design is complicated, but with proper teaching, it becomes clear, practical, and exciting. In fact, even in your very first class, you'll be able to design a ring, prepare it for 3D printing, and understand the real process from casting to polishing. You also gain access to a private Facebook support group where you can ask questions quickly and grow with a serious learning community. In my program, you won't just learn how to design something that looks beautiful. You will learn how to design jewelry that works in real metal with correct tolerances, proper bronze sizing, and professional manufacturing standards. I offer training at every level, beginner, intermediate, advanced, and master. You'll learn gemstone setting fundamentals, realistic rendering for photos and videos, and how to build a portfolio that can lead to freelance work, industry employment, or even your own jewelry business. Students also receive exclusive access to my library of over 10,000 jewelry parts and models, along with discounts and connection to trusted 3D printing, casting, and jewelry supply networks. Enrollment is open now. To get started, you only need a computer with basic computer skills. Thank you for watching, and if you're ready to stop just watching videos and start designing real professional jewelry, I look forward to welcome you into the class.